The safety of passengers is of utmost importance to airports, from the time they enter the car park to the moment a plane takes off. Well, that is why it is essential that all elements of safety protocols operate effectively, including emergency lighting. Joanna Simpson reports now on how specialists in this area, P4, are working with Liverpool John Lennon Airport to put safety first.
As record numbers of people travel through UK airports and it's increasing year on year, passenger safety is of utmost importance. Airports need to be able to respond to emergency situations and have reliable systems in place to deal with them. As passengers, we're used to emergency lighting on aeroplanes, but this is also vital at terminals in case the mains power fails. P4 Limited supplied and commissioned P4 Fastel Links emergency lighting in the Phase 6 development at Liverpool John Lennon Airport. The airport says ensuring its passengers can trust they will be looked after is of utmost importance.
Here at Liverpool John Lennon Airport, the volume of people here, the safety of our passengers, the safety of our employees is paramount. So to have a system in place, the emergency lighting that we have got is fundamental to our operations. The safety and the systems, the checking of the systems, the operating of the system without any failures, and to have that backup system available in the case of an emergency, to evacuate the building as quickly and efficiently as possible, providing that safe route for exit.
Some of these lights have been modified by P4 Limited to contain an inverter and a battery which automatically activate in the event of a blackout. But as you can see, the change is almost instantaneous, and that's deliberate to not cause passengers any panic. Each airport has its own requirements, and P4 Limited collaborates with its clients to design an individual system to meet their specific needs. At Liverpool Airport, as in any public building, the emergency lighting installation has to comply with a number of legal regulations, including British Standard 5266. So far, the system has been installed in security, passport control, retail duty-free and baggage collection.
It's British standards we have to work to for emergency lighting, so it has to be fail-safe, it has to be checked regularly, and the system here has a web-based checking system, so it's all automated and checked on a regular basis, a weekly basis from the web-based system.
A central attraction of the P4 system is that it's self-testing. By doing it remotely and sending emails flagging any problems, cuts down on maintenance and therefore cost. The system also helps the airport plan by alerting them if an emergency light has a fault or is coming to the end of its life.
How the system helps us is I don't need a technician to actually going round and flicking switches. It allows me to pick certain times and certain days of the week to do this, so we can do it at 2 o'clock in the morning, where a lot of our planned maintenance is being done on the baggage systems then. So it really helps that it's an automated system. It helps in more of the planning. It allows us to strategically look at our maintenance and when we can do certain other activities.
The system is also flexible, aiming to meet the specification of the airport in the future. P4 Limited has been working with Liverpool Airport for more than 5 years as it went through its Phase 6 development. A long-term relationship means it can respond to the airport's changing needs and legal requirements.
I think customer relationships are a vital part of the P4 business. We care for our customers and we look after them, like I say, right the way through the process, from the initial consultation stages to working with them through design, to doing technical briefings with their installation teams, which will vary from project to project, and actually doing user training and constant support to the client. We've got over 25 years of experience in our field, and we understand that the environments that we work with are forever changing. Personnel change on a regular basis in many of our end user client situations. So we're always available to come back and do refresher training with the client as and when it's required. On an annual basis, we try and carry out health checks on our systems as part of the ongoing service to our clients.
Meticulous planning has gone into preparing this emergency lighting system to keep it compliant and reliable, just in case it's ever needed in the future.